Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a very basic makeup look on right now and something's missing. Yes, you guessed it right, I haven't done anything to my eyebrows. So these are my natural eyebrows. I normally like to use a thickener or with a slight brownish tint to add a little thickness to my eyebrows and to complete my look. I am using a new product that I ordered online. I ordered it from soup.com, which is basically the Amazon of the Middle East. And this is from Wet n Wild. This is the Ultimate Brow Kit and it's in the shade Ash Brown. So I tried taking off this sticker, but it just wouldn't come out. So I'm gonna open this up and show you what this product looks like. Okay. So I made a little mess of it before. I was just being inquisitive before I could even do this video. There is a wax and you have two different shades of brown, a lighter one and a darker one. The wax is so that you can apply it over your eyebrows if you have really fine hair, so it stays in place when you're using the tinting powder. And this kit also comes with one of the brow brushes as well as a small little tweezer, which I think is really handy, especially if you are traveling. Oh yes, and this little kit has a surprise. There is also, let me get this, mirror. So this mirror, I can't tell you how handy this would come in, especially if you're on the go and you just pull this out and you can do your brows. You can even touch up your brows when you're on the go. So to start off, I'm gonna use the applicator brush and use this wax. So I'm just gonna put some of it on the brush and apply it on my eyebrows. You can actually make out, and it's really obvious that it sets your hair in place and you can clearly tell the difference between the two. It's not too heavy and I think this is a perfect base for the brown tinting powder that comes over this. Also, people with really thick eyebrows, before they can start the tinting, the wax really holds all that hair in place. And I know that it's a great look, but it can get messy if it's not really tamed. There are two shades of brown. I am, as you can see now, dark haired. Does not mean that I would put black tint on my eyebrows. And in fact, I even feel that the lower dark brown is a little dark for me, so I'm gonna go with a lighter shade of brown because from what you can see, these are highly pigmented. Using the same applicator brush, I am going to use the little shade. Just a little bit. Too much could also ruin your eyebrows. So I know people have different ways of doing their eyebrows. Some people draw the outer line and then fill in. I just go along stroking in the direction of my eyebrow hair. So yeah, I love this product. This is really nice. It's highly pigmented. The wax works really well as a base, and it doesn't come off easily. It's easy to apply. The only thing I would say is do not go for darker shades. It would definitely not suit you and I am dark haired, and I went for the lighter brown, and this is what it looks like. Also, the applicator brush, I only wish that it was maybe a little bigger and maybe more rounded at the handle so it's easier to, you know, use. But other than that, this is a great kit, and it is very affordable, very reasonably priced. I am going to leave the link down in the description of where you can buy this amazing product. This is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and the one I use is the Ash Brown. Very affordable and easily available, and very handy small pack even to add to your travel kit. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. I have a lot more videos coming up, and your support would mean the world to me. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.